Hey guys, Warhawk 9000 here with another airsoft gun, and this is of the MG42. Finally, I got my hands on one. As you can see, the MG42 in all its glory. I've been saving up for a bit and finally got my hands on one. The gun is all metal and wood. The bipod, the barrel, the magazine, the charging handle, the lower and upper receiver are all metal. The stock is real wood. The hand grips are ABS plastic. The magazine holds 2,000 rounds. So it holds quite a bit, as you can see. I finally got my hands on one. I'm really happy with this gun. The gun shoots at around 400 feet per second with a .2 gram BB. I would recommend using a .25 or heavier, since the gun is not that accurate, but I'm not complaining since it's not a sniper. Alright, let me get the turn the gun around and get you to see the other side of the gun here. Here's the other side of the gun. As you can see, the charging handle, the barrel exchange trapdoor cover, like on the real one. This one has it too. The adjustable rear sight. Here's the front sight. It can be flipped down or up, as well as the rear one, like that. It also has another sight for anti-aircraft. As you can see, is this thing that is the anti-aircraft sight. So yeah, that's that. The gun has, I believe, a version 2 gearbox. I'm not too sure on that, but I think it does, from what I heard. The magazine is battery powered, so it requires 4 AA batteries to work. So here is the MG42 by, I'm not sure what's the manufacturer. I think it's AGM or S&T Armament. If you can tell me, please, that would be great. To load the magazine, what you want to do first is turn the handle the other way around, unhook the little hook here, turn it down, then the whole top would come out. Let's see if I can get it with one hand. Sorry, people. Okay, like that. There you go. From here, you can pour in your BBs here and here. Put in your 4 AA batteries. After that, close it. Close it good. Make sure it snaps into place. Then put this back. And then this wire would plug into this wire. And that would make the magazine whine and load into the gun every time you pull the trigger. The battery is housed inside the stock. What you will want to do first is push this and then turn the stock counterclockwise, thus releasing it. From here, you can put a 9.6 volt battery or a 7.4 volt LiPo battery. Since the space on the stock is really small, I would recommend using a LiPo battery, like a 7.4 volt LiPo. That, cause since the LiPo batteries are really small, You can try using an 11.1 LiPo battery, but I would probably first recommend upgrading the gun to support that that much power, so the battery won't destroy your internals. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna try and do with mine. I'm planning on upgrading this gun so it can hold an 11.1 volt battery, LiPo battery that is, so it can shoot at a higher rate of fire like the real thing. So thanks guys for watching my little overview / review of the AGM or S&T MG42. So until next time, have a great day guys.